Where's the fire hydrant at, bro?
Hey,
go get the fire hydrant, bro. I'm about to do it.
You did it already.
But I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna sit up there too. We gonna do everybody ideas.
It would be hard. But Get was shot right there how you
Yeah. We gonna do everybody ideas, bro. We gonna incorporate everybody's shit.
And Barry shit.
Where is Baron at, bro? At this point, I don't even care, bro.
Hey, Nick, just build some shit like.
Let me get a cigarette for it, though.
Build some shit like.
Always ask you why you in the video.
You know what I'm saying?
All right, that's a bet.
Build
Yeah,
some shit
do that.
like-
Do that.
Yeah, that's what I said.
When I hold on. When I say nigga, I be like, hey, Cottage. When I say nigga, I be snapping let's like photos out, throw me a cigarette. You feel me? Like, you feel me?
Yeah. Ooh, yeah. What you doing? Yeah. Nigga, I be snapping just like photos, dawg. Motherfuck the protocol. Standing over hoes, I'm still the underdog. I'm driving to this addy got me focused, God. When I say I'm at my lowest, probably meant to say my brokest. But still I'm staying golden, just like niggas counting tokens. Keep all that energy in your mouth, that's halitosis. I'm breaking glasses that you toast with on your asses, just like garments. Man, the truth could be alarming. You winning, then they gon' swarm you. But lose it in the morning, watch them leave without a warning. I'm just thankful that I go and fuck when I'm horny. And that pussy kinda sweet, like the apples and the oranges. About to build me up a fortress just to keep myself dormant. I'm on that loner shit, just it's the life I'm enjoying. Cause when shit get thick, like a fucking bowl of porridge, and that fake shit get cut like a nigga Jason Voorhees. That bitch gon' lie, gotta send her bitch ass to Maury. The same sob story, you love me, then go ignore me. Love just ain't for me, and I used to accept it poorly. But now it's a seat for me, she blowin', she see for me. I'm oohing like E40, we feuding like Steve Harvey. You don't wanna die, I know you wanna fly. See heaven's in the sky, and hell's under your nights. The sky don't look too far when the sun don't look too bright. And we believe in God, but be running from the light, 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 the light. I used to go and hope that they did it like me, but then they went and tried to go and do it like me. And the sad reality is that they can't be like me. Even down to a T, it wouldn't be precisely a nigga going down, he look just like me. If I ever went down for more than 20, would you even write me? Fuck it, let's just get this money, blow it like a light breeze. It was never around me when my pockets was on E. What a fucked up episode, like my life on E. Niggas couldn't even touch the phone, attempt to call me. Fuck them bitches raunchy, I'm dreaming of Givenchy. The world will never harm me. Yeah, the world can never harm me. I got the strength and that's the only one. The only thing I'm working on is timing. I'm moving slower than a fucking zombie.
Hey, cut the last part, that shit was whack. You know what I'm saying? Like, you work hard enough for some shit, man. You release enough energy into the universe, you only gonna get that shit back, though. So, from this point on forward, you can only shoot bad bitches, you feel me? Surround yourself by bad bitches, you dig? Yes, sir. Man, I ain't dropping no more tips, man. Straight, I don't know, man. It's just how I feel. That's what I'm gonna do, you know what I'm saying? I'm just make sure it's real. Anything that I do from now, real, because that's what people want. Give to the people, you feel me? Like, you know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to change shit. I ain't trying to rearrange shit. It's gonna leave my mark. That's why they call me that. You feel me? What's that? What's wrong? MarqDeshon, nigga.